Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about virtual machine creation. For that, first we have to go to AWS Learners Lab and getting to modules. In that, we should select Launch AWS Academy Learner Lab. Here we can see AWS and Start Lab, End Lab. AWS is in red color. It means it is not in ready state. So first we should click on Start Lab so that it changes to yellow color. Means it is initiating to start. When it changes to green, then we are having the access to enter into AWS. If you are the user of AWS login, you are having the credentials, directly you can be going and just logging into AWS. Once it changes into green, we can direct to AWS platform and then we can go to VN creation. Now, now we can see here AWS changes to green. So first we should go to AWS. Here, if you are the new user, the recently visited will not be appearing. So you should go to search bar and you should search for EC2. Then you should click on EC2. Here you should select the launch instance. Now we should give the unique name. So I'm giving today's date. And now we are going to OS and I'm selecting here. We should select here as Windows. Instance type should be t3.micro. And here for key pair, we should create new key pair. Now here you should enter the key pair name. If you are entering the same name as unique name and here, it will be easy to identify and remember. So I'm entering the same number here and here I'm keeping .pem and I'm creating the key pair. When I'm clicking on the create key pair, the PEM file is downloaded. So just keep that file and it will be useful to open the remote desktop. And now you should go to protocols and activate all the protocols. Allow the things. Next, you should launch the instance. Now the instance is created. You should go to instance. Now you can find this page. Now you should click on connect. Then here RDP client. Now you should download the remote desktop file. Here when the desktop file is downloaded, you can see this. That's the thing. And now you should click on get password. So just now we have to wait for 3 to 4 minutes to open the password. Yes. Now it is open. So we should upload the key file. The uploading file is PEM file. That is downloaded when we are creating the key pair. And now we should do decrypt password. Now we got the password. So copy the password and go to the downloads where this is the thing I have downloaded remote desktop. Yes, it is asking for connect. Now the password is this. In this way, we can connect the virtual machine to our laptop. This is the remote desktop we have created, and this is the thing we can see how we can use that. It is starting, so it takes some time to prepare it, like setting up the things. This is the way it got created. And here also we can get some of the things. Yeah, it is taking a time because we now just now itself we have created and we have opened. That's the thing it taking the time. So like normal our desktop, this desktop also having the features. In this way we can create the remote desktop in our laptop by using AWS. Okay, to delete it, first we should shut down this. Okay, we have disconnected with VM, and now we can go to EC2 instances, EC2 dashboard. Here we can see EC instance will be running on because we have created the instance. This one we have created. That's the reason here in dashboard it is showing 1. When we delete it, that will become 0. And clicking on this, Terminate. We can say it isn't shutting down. So when it completed the shutting down, it will show us terminated. This is the process of creating the VM and deleting the instances.